There's a tour of my model train set here with background music by Chris, who does not know how to play that thing. Got a little Union Pacific train running on it right now. We got right here is the BNSF yard or engine facility. Got some nice stuff here. A couple Kato engines, an Atlas engine. This is one of my favorites. Couple BN engines right there. My favorite view. I'm looking right down the street. And here comes the train. Right there. Still have yet to get the crossing lights and gates down. Then we go over here, we've got a barn, there's a John Deere tractor right there, got some horses. Going down, here's the yard track lead, going down into the yard. Turntable, there's the train again, got a shell tower, lumber mill, got a whole bunch of different stuff down here. Let's go back over here again. Got my old time steam train sitting right there. Old depot, new depot, Amtrak depot. And we got the container yard right here. Container yard crane. Got a couple well cars in there. Got the tractor loading that well car up. Here's whoop. Sorry about that. And here's some of my locomotives right there. We got some Kato, Athearn Genesis, SD45-2. Got an F7 in there, and I was just flashed. Genesis F7. And we got a couple big steamers back there. Turntable, working turntable. This thing's pretty neat. You can see it turns right there. This is fun. It's always fun putting a locomotive on there. It looks pretty cool. And then we got our bluegrass band playing right there. Got Wash Tub Basin. Yeah. We got our road there and a fire station right here. This is cool. Got a fire going right there. Got the ladder and the firemen on top of it there, and you go up the ladder, and they got the fire station right there, and that truck lights up too. Police cars. Looks like they got a standoff right there. And we got some music right there. That's the bluegrass band playing there for you. In church. That's about it. That's my layout. Hope you enjoyed.